Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a mid-century modern plant stand. These help to elevate plants in their pot to either get a little more sunshine depending on where you put them, or they can also help to create levels with the rest of your plants. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video of me making these mid-century modern plant stands. If you did, I'd appreciate if you like it and subscribe to see more from me. It's a real simple project with some half-lap joints and some cutouts in the wood that make it so it all nicely sticks together. You wouldn't really even need to use glue if you made the joints tight enough. That's not what I did. I definitely needed glue. I feel like this might make a real good Mother's Day gift, so keep that in mind as you're building something for your mom. And I'd really appreciate it if you could share this video with a friend. You know, someone else who might be interested in making a plant stand. Cheers. And have a great day.